Well, hey everybody, it's Doug Rucker here with DougRuckerStore.com and PressureWashingSchool.com, coming to you right from Houston, Texas. This is your Houston, Texas pressure washing and soft washing supply store, and also nationwide and worldwide. Actually, we ship all over the place. So we're located in Porter, Texas, right just north of Humble Kingwood off of Loop 494 at the North Park exit, just up Loop 494 a little bit. And so if you're in the area, like I always say, stop in. Love to chat with you. We're here for the pressure washing contractors, the guys that are in the business. And so if we can ever help you, just stop on in, and we'll be glad to help you. Hey, I've got a video today on another new product that I want to show you. So we've got that coming up next. Hey, don't forget our next pressure washing, hands-on training, soft washing, roof cleaning, concrete cleaning, property protection, all of that is coming up November 8th, both here in Houston, Texas, with myself in Raimondo, and then also in Valdosta, Georgia on the same day, November 8th, with Judd West. From FlowPro. So he's doing a school along with us at the same time, November 8th, both Houston and Valdosta, Georgia. So just go to pressurewashingschool.com for all the information on that. You can get registered and sign up for either the Houston, Texas or the Valdosta, Georgia location. And again, it's both hands-on training as well as classroom training, and we cover everything from pressure washing to soft washing. We teach you how to clean houses, how to clean roofs, how to clean concrete, and also how to protect the property that you're cleaning. And so you have that option, as well as the online video school that's got over 200 something videos. It's a lifetime membership. It never expires. So if you can't make it to either location, that's a great option as well. And we also have a lot of guys that do both. They actually come to the hands-on and then they go ahead and purchase the online too, because it just has so much more content on it than we could cover in one day of training here. So you've got that option, and then we also have the Point personal on-site individual next level training. So that's where we come to either your job site, or we'll get a job site here, and you can come and get some next level training right on a job site. So you always have the option to either train on scene or train on screen. So for all of that information, you can go to pressurewashingschool.com. You can also email me at learn@pressurewashingschool.com, or call or text 281-883-3630. If you ever have any questions about any of the store products that we sell, just feel free to email us at info@DougRuckerStore.com, or you can call or text 281-612-1223. We truly want to help you guys out that are in the business. If you have questions about what you're buying, how it works, will it work, what will it do, all of that kind of stuff, before you purchase, give us a call. Let's talk about it. We'd be glad to have a conversation with you. We can also a lot of times do a video call with you. Even while you're on the phone with us, we can switch it over to a video call. If you have something on your machine or whatever that you need to show us, we can always do that. Again, we are here for the pressure washing contractors, the guys that are in the business. This is not about homeowners trying to help you get your machine to do what we do. We only sell products and things for 4 gallon per minute machines and above. Commercial grade. So the Home Depot, the Lowe's machines, Harbor Freight, stuff like that, especially electric pressure washers, we really don't have anything for those. So just kind of keep that in mind and understand that's why we're here, is to help guys that are in the business. supporting their families, supporting their communities, that types of thing. But anyway, info@dougruckerstore.com, or call or text us 281-612-1223. Okay guys, so yeah, this is a bleach neutralizer. I just started carrying it. I've been testing it for a couple of months, and I'm going to tell you I've mainly used this for my truck and for my equipment. I keep a pump-up sprayer that will be mixed about 6 ounces per gallon. You can go 4 to 6 ounces per gallon of water. And so I use that for just kind of spot treating things like on my truck or on my trailer. Let's say sometimes I park the truck kind of close to area that we're spraying, and sometimes some of that bleach overspray or that mist or drift or whatever will get onto the truck windows on the truck. And so I'm very impressed with what a great job it does on equipment. I also use it to downstream plants or grass or whatever. And I haven't had any issues so far, but I'm a big plant protector using the Tyvek house wrap. And so we basically cover all of our plants, so we don't really have to use the neutralizer on that, because I've used a lot of bleach neutralizers and tested them on plants and grass, and they just don't work. So I'm going to be doing some more testing as far as plants. My thing with neutralizers on plants is you can spray this on your plants, and as a matter of fact, the instructions are to wet it first, spray it, and then of course you want to rinse it off. And don't use it on edible plants like food plant, tomatoes, or whatever somebody may be growing to eat, herbs, spices, stuff like that. But then you want to rinse it off. But even if you spray it onto the plants, you have to understand that it's going to start evaporating pretty quick off of the leaves. And so it only takes about 2 to 3 seconds, sometimes even shorter, once bleach hits foliage of a plant, for it to start its process of burning those leaves. So I just feel like it's always best to cover plants, wet them really good, use the Tyvek house wrap, because that stuff breathes, but it doesn't let moisture in. Use the neutralizer afterwards if you want to maybe help the soil, maybe help the leaves as well, but don't depend on it for protecting plants, thinking that once you spray this stuff on there, you can just let the bleach hit it and it's not going to do anything. That's not the case for any bleach neutralizer, liquid neutralizer like this that's out there. But I use it for our equipment, our trucks, our trailers. I've even taken my fittings from soft wash guns and things of that nature and just dipped it down into the neutralizer and pulled it out and let it sit for a few minutes and then rinse it all off. And it's helping the fittings last a little bit longer as well. So this is on the website. It's Bleach Neutralizer. I also, like I said, downstream it. So when I'm downstreaming, I'm mixing it about 2 to 4 ounces per gallon of water. I usually go on the higher side and go with 4 ounces, and then downstream it on my truck, my trailer, whatever. The pump-up sprayer is mixed 4 ounces per gallon. You can do it 2 to 4 ounces. So I go on the high side. So it's 4 ounces per gallon. And I keep that on the trailer for spot treatments that I need to do on the truck, on the trailer, if we have a spill or we have a fitting on our soft wash system that's leaking or whatever. I can just quickly spray that and it'll neutralize that. It's got rust inhibitors in it that actually slow or stop the rusting process that that kind of leaks and spills can cause. So it's priced very well. It's certainly worth having this on your truck, and at least have a pump-up sprayer of it ready so that you can use it. But like I said, don't depend 100% on this stuff to protect plant foliage. You have to do your other protection, keep them watered, keep the roots have to be well watered, almost to the fact to where they're flooded and ponding or whatever. So, but anyway, for your equipment, for your trucks, for your trailers, all that kind of stuff, I would highly recommend it. Hey guys, hope this has been helpful for you. If you have any questions whatsoever about it, put it down in the comments. You can also email us info@dougruckerstore.com or call or text us 281-612-1223. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so that you get notifications every time I come out with something that could be useful for you. And then hit the like, and also give me a comment or a question down below. Is there a bleach neutralizer that you use or that you prefer, and how does it work? Let us know that below too. All right. Appreciate everybody watching, and again, hope y'all have a very, very blessed day.